Officially or unofficially, if you don't have an AI effort at your business, rest assured that someone on some team adjacent to yours is downloading a bunch of unofficial open weight models or using ChatGPT or something, no matter how effective or ineffective, to try to use AI. Because even if the organization hasn't made the strategic decision to invest yet, individuals are realizing this is going to be part of their life going forward in a really big way. But this creates the opportunity for a lot of stumbles. First of all, you really kind of do need data science best practice to be built in from the beginning. There's a lot of ways to fool yourself into thinking that AI can work when it's actually not. The second, and I don't need to tell any of you about this because I'm sure you deal with it every day, security. Security risks are high, especially if you're using tools that you randomly downloaded from the internet. You don't know what people put in there. And so making sure you're compliant with your own security policies and working with a partner who understands that is really critical. And then the last two, honestly, are two sides of the same coin. Scalability. I don't know how many of you have written code on your computer and then never been able to get anybody else to use it again. I know I've done that. And why? Because writing reusable production software that can scale is very hard. And writing it with collaboration features is even harder. Even for real software teams that have a large number of professional software developers, these are not easy things to do right. And obviously, any homegrown system is less likely to have a lot of that. And so scalability is always a challenge. But then more importantly, is scalability on the team. Change management, convincing your colleagues that this is actually important because it turns out one person with AI does not a company transform. And so over the last 12 years, we've really sort of established ourselves. We've done this more than any company on earth. We've done over 200 different projects with different companies to see how to create change management, to see how to make sure to make sure that we assist people in overcoming those obstacles. And the second thing is we only build technology for the scientific endeavor, for chemistry in particular. So we don't try to go read web ads or identify what presents you should get your family for the holidays. Those are interesting problems and things people should be working on. But Citrine is focused on chemistry and materials. And we've been the leader in working, especially with the small data sets you have in your company since our founding in 2013.